It's another bright and sunny morning. The tunnel entrance is very busy. The red light turns on. The crane truck stops safely.
Hey! Come here!
But Tractor can't wait and rushes into the tunnel.
Tractor. Dump truck.
The light on the other side turns green. Dump truck drives in carrying a load of logs. Oh no! They almost crashed! Oh no! Dump truck brakes hard. The logs fly everywhere.
What's next?
Tractor gets scared and hits the wall. Oh no! The logs fall on Tractor.
Oh my god!
What should we do?
What happened?
Oh no!
What happened? Oh my god!
Water truck hurries to call the rescue team.
Water tank truck.
Hey!
Help me! Help me!
Woo!
Okay, let's go. Who is next?
The rescue team arrives at the tunnel right away.
Come here. Okay.
The vehicles slide out of the tunnel. Rescue team, go inside and help!
Clamshell excavator.
It's my time! Good job!
Grab Excavator lifts the logs and Tractor onto the trailer.
Let's go!
Road sweeper cleans the road nice and clean.
Okay. It's my time! Yay!
Hey!
Let's go! Good job!
Dump truck loads the logs again. Time to go!
Okay. Let's go!
The trailer takes Tractor to the repair shop. They install a new seat, new glass, mudguards, and taillights.
Wow, it's a nice slide!
The tires need to be replaced too.
Cool! It's so nice! Look at this! Okay.
Repair finished. Great job!
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.